Hello everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I post videos about plus size fashion, beauty, lifestyle stuff, but I also post planner videos every Monday, and this is a planner video. My type of planning style is not the one where you put everything in your planner. I just like being creative with my planner, so you can get ideas maybe from the way I set up my planner and then put in your lists and everything. So today I decided to use digital paper, crafting paper, which I got from The Works. The Works is a store in the UK, and I got this, it's called Fresh Feelings, and it's £3. And the thing I'm going to use is this one, this pebble style, and I'm going to use paper from another book as well. Hang on, let me show you. And this one is from the Watercolor Feelings. So loads of feelings, guys. So my thought is I'm going to use this. So I'm going to use this and this. I'm trying to create a garden. So I'm going to have a little pathway and flowers. So that's what I'm going for. If that's something you would like to watch, then get yourself a cup of coffee. Usually my videos are short. And yeah, maybe consider subscribing if you enjoy what you see. Okay, let's begin. First thing first, my planner. I have the Happy Planner, but you can use whatever you want to do this because it's going to be covering everything. So let me go to the week I want to cover. So I'm going to go for, I'll do the previous week because I haven't planned in the previous week. So it's 10 to, no, actually I'll do this week so I can write down some things that I want to do. So 17 to 23rd. Of course, I didn't cut it the right size, but that's okay because I'm going to put the little stone pathway in the middle, so it's going to be fine. And then a little bit I've done the other side, so I'm going to stick them on and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. It got a bit wonky when I was gluing it, and you can't unglue it because it gets stuck on very, very quickly. I did a little bit of patchwork there. Don't know if you can see it, but it's fine. I'm not a perfectionist planner, so don't worry. Now I'm going to cover these up with my little stone pathway. So the thought is that these are going to go in the middle and then maybe have a line or two going sideways. I'll see. You'll see what I'm going to come up with. So I added a few stones here and then a little pathway and then some stones down here and trying to create a little garden. So this is my background, and then I'm just going to stick a few tabs to add these kinds of tabs from, like, what are they called? Labels, adhesive labels, and just add some of the things and appointments and lists and stuff. So in the end, I used stickers from this sticker book, what's it called, Colorful Shapes, and I just put some tabs with things that I'm doing this week, and there you have it, guys. I don't think it turned out that bad. I kind of like it. So yeah, if you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing to my channel. As I said, it's not a planner only channel. Oh, and I have a giveaway that ends on the 25th. It's the floral plan with me, so the previous plan with me video that was like last Monday. So yeah, you'll see it. It's spring floral, and it says, it has the word giveaway, so if you want to enter, go there. And yeah, so give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and stay safe, everyone. I'm at My Pink Rambles on Instagram. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I'll just give you a bit of a close-up so you can see all the flaws.